Hey everyone, it's Aylin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making edible Starburst slime. So what you'll need for this is powdered sugar, a bowl, a spatula, a spoon, a pot, and some Starburst. And I have the red base because I thought that'd be really good together. We just put them all in, and there's a lot in here. Like, this is really heavy. So now we're gonna put it on the stove. So all the Starbursts are in here, and we're just waiting for them to melt. So make sure, like, a long time for these, like, to melt for this, like, project, because they take a long time. It's done, and now we're gonna go put it in the powdered sugar. Okay, so we're back, and this is looking really good. So I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, I forgot, you also need a cutting board. So I'm just gonna put it on the cutting board. And hopefully this doesn't explode on me. Okay. I'm just gonna take some. So it's right there. It literally got all over. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Tastes like a giant Starburst. So good. So that was the end of my edible Starburst slime video. I had a lot of fun making this for you guys, and as you could tell, it turned out really good. Like, I'm gonna enjoy this. And it is so fun and so stretchy, and it was really easy to make. So I suggest this. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications for more awesome videos. Comment down below your favorite Starburst. Mine is normal pink and yellow tropical. Like and subscribe.